I saw an advertisement on a bulletin board when I was in law school that said that the Massachusetts Commission Against Discrimination was looking for a summer unpaid legal intern. So I went over and spoke to them, and I said I'd volunteer. Well, it turned out that there were 3 lawyers who had been in the Civil Rights Division in the 60s, Bob Pressman, Michael Hoare, and Patrick Kennedy. And they said, you should go to DOJ after you graduate from law school. And I said, well, why? You all resigned, in protest. And they said, well, the Nixon administration got slapped down in the school desegregation area. There's going to be a lot of work in the Deep South. So I applied, and when I got interviewed, I remember Bob Murphy came up to interview me. He was chief, I think, of the criminal section at that time. And he came up and he asked me if I had ever been to the South. Now, I grew up in Massachusetts, so I said, yes, I've been to Providence. And he said, no, the South. So I ended up working on cases with them. They taught me a great deal, kind of an overview, and I applied, and I got to come down and meet K. William O'Connor and Frank Dunbar, who interviewed me, and we just hit it off, and I got offered a job. And I will tell you this, when I got offered the job and when I came down here, and I'll talk about this hopefully today, I felt like I had struck gold. It was the greatest thrill and the greatest place that I have ever worked, and that was 50 years ago next year.